Hello everyone, Rashmi here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this double-sided pull-up card. When you're going to pull up at the right side of the card at the thread area, it will come up like this. I'm going to show you how to make this card in very easy way. So let's get started. For this card, you will be require 5 pieces of paper, out of which 3 will be of equal sizes and another 2 will be differ by 1 centimeter from each other. Plus, you will be require plastic piece over here for sliding mechanism. Now, I'm going to start with my pulling out pieces first. For that, first I'm going to leave 1 centimeter space on my bigger piece. And then I'm going to stamp my all the animals on their respective pieces. For stamping, I'm going to use here Misty Stampy tool. This stampy tool will help to stamp the same stamp over the same place. So if you miss some, you can stamp that again. After stamping, I'm going to color my animals. To color the animals, I'm going to use my normal sketch pens. I have watched lots and lots of coloring videos, but they uses Copic markers because blending with Copic markers is very great. I don't have them, so I'm going to use my normal sketch pens only. Link for both Copic markers as well as the pens I have used here are listed in the description below, so have a look on that. Now you can see my pulling pieces are looking too much white, so I'm going to give a little touch of blue and green. I have used here distress oxide ink pads. Plus, I'm going to draw some grass also so that my animals don't look like floating. After this, I'm going to stamp my thinking symbol to write down the sentiment. Now, for the front part of my card, I'm going to stamp this cake symbol at the center, then going to color that. Plus, I'm going to color my background also. After that, I'm going to die cut down these circle dies to give this design. Now, for the extra decorative part, I have already stamped these flag symbols. I'm just going to color and die cut down them. First, I thought I'm going to use that happy birthday flag over here. Then I realized that it's not looking that much good, so I didn't attach that. Now, I'm going to start with my sliding mechanism. For this, I'm going to take a piece of paper of same size as that of my front part of card and then giving a cut on both the ends of my card by leaving 1.5 centimeter distance from remaining 3 sides. But make sure that that cut should be bigger than size of plastic sheet. Now I'm going to insert my plastic sheet inside this cut all around my card and then going to attach that with the help of my double-sided tape. While attaching, I'm keeping this plastic sheet little bit loose so that sliding movement is possible. Then I'm going to attach my pulling out pieces on the plastic sheet. First on the front of the slider and the second one will be on the back side of the slider. To keep the movement of slider secure, I'm just going to use double-sided foam tape to attach my front card. Plus, for the back side of the card, I'm doing the same thing. Now, for the final touch-up, I'm going to attach that flags on the front of my card. Plus, I'm going to write down my sentiment. And finally, to show pulling up sign, I have attached a single strip on the largest pulling out piece. On that, I'm going to attach my thread. So this is the final look of my greeting card. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.